Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be finally bringing you guys this Glam holiday tablescape that I promised you some time ago, but my schedule has been so busy that I have not had the time to take the roller out of my hair, let alone, edit the video. So I honestly filmed this over a month ago and I'm just getting time to edit it. So I hope you guys still can find time for inspiration and motivation as you create your tablescape this holiday season. So the first thing that we started with is this Glam tablecloth, and then we put a Glam runner. Now this runner was actually made by my friend Nina. It's a glitz runner, and then on the other side it's rosette, but the two are sewn together to give it a very unique, glamorous, classy, timeless look. Next, I'm going to put down the chargers from the Dollar Tree. You guys, Dollar Tree has some amazing chargers right now. They're just $1. And then I'm going to add the plates. I got these plates from Home Goods, and then also these wine goblets with the bling. Oh my gosh, I love bling. I love glam, and these glasses are so amazing. I could not imagine doing a Glam tablescape without these. I picked these up at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, but you can definitely find them at the Z Gallery. And then I had done a Glam wedding the week before this particular tablescape, and the flowers actually survived. I will share that wedding with you guys after this video post, so be sure to check out my Glam holiday wedding. It is everything. But at any rate, the flowers survived, so I just kind of put them into smaller centerpieces to grace the guest table for our guest speakers and our guest for this particular event for our ministry. You guys know my husband is a pastor, so we just celebrated our church anniversary, and I wanted to make sure that our guests were definitely wowed when they entered into our dining area at church. So I absolutely love the way everything turned out. I did put a low centerpiece in the middle of the table because I did not want to have to actually, remove the centerpieces when the guests were seated and things like that. And then, of course, adding to the glam and the bling are these amazing napkin holders from totallydazzled.com. They are only $2 a piece. You guys, you must add these to your collection. I will leave that link down in the description box below. I also have some other amazing bling and glamorous projects coming up using bling from totallydazzled.com. But again, I will leave that down below. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these for any of your upcoming holiday events or wedding, these are just absolutely perfect, and they can go through every season. Every single season, you can use these napkin rings. So here is an overview of the table. I absolutely love the way that the tablescape turned out. It's so absolutely beautiful. I wanted to also add that beauty on and carry that beauty on over to the dessert table or the dessert station area, and I think a lot of people forget about that. But whenever I'm serving big meals for the holidays, I absolutely love to create a very different space for the dessert table area in order to keep the flow of traffic really good, and also in order to kind of spread things around and bring more interest to the room without having to add a whole lot of more decor. And I will give you guys an example of that later. And if you're interested in seeing an article that I've written regarding how to set up buffets in your home or your ministry or at your job in time for the Christmas holidays or Thanksgiving holidays or whatever holiday or event you may have coming up, I will link that on my blog on melanieturner.design. Be sure to check that out. And so these are some little plates that I picked up on clearance at Hobby Lobby. They were 90% off, and they have just like a little gold leaf on them. And then I also have one that has a gold feather on it as well. So in addition to all of the glamorous pieces that I have on the table already and all of the bling, I wanted to add some very different salt and pepper shakers. So I added these little pumpkins. And again, you know, this is really easy to transition from Thanksgiving to Christmas this holiday season, so you can definitely change out your salt and pepper shaker. And if you want to use faux flowers instead of real flowers, you can definitely make that happen as well. But everything else can stay the exact same, because the cranberries and blushes and creams and golds and all of these colors are just so very popular this season. And this glamorous tablescape was perfect for this dining room area because of the chandelier that was directly over the table. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I just wanted to put down 2 different glasses, one for water and then one for their drinks. And the taller one we actually used for their water goblet, even though I know it's more of a fluke, but you know, hey, that's what we wanted to use it for. It is so glamorous. Look at all of the bling. Oh my gosh, I just absolutely love it. I love these pieces. I also have one other glass in this piece, but these are fabulous. And if you see these anywhere this holiday season, be sure to pick them up. I love the way the napkins look. I just on the table, I just kept the napkin fold really simple to display the beauty and the elegance of the napkin ring. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you how I created this glam holiday tablescape from start to finish. If you are a bling girl, a glam girl, a, you know, classy, elegant type person, this is definitely something you will love. And then stay tuned for all of the amazing videos that I have coming up. I absolutely love Christmas. It's one of my favorite times of the year. And I have so many amazing projects to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! And how could I forget this? If you guys are interested in event planning and you love the things that I do and you're interested in knowing all of the intricate details and the ins and out of how to get started in event planning, I am hosting our first ever live in-person, hands-on Luxe Academy at Luxe Studio here in Florence, Alabama. I will leave the link down below to my website, melanieturner.design. But this is something you don't want to miss. I have a few more seats available. This will be hands-on like you've never seen before. We will be doing not 1, but 2 real-life weddings, and you will get to see step by step every single thing that I do. I will also be sharing with you guys my vendors. We'll be doing backdrops, centerpieces, you name it. You don't want to miss it. This will be the best gift to yourself ever. So thank you guys again so much for all of your support. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We want to reach 100K by my birthday.